What's up guys, Russ Lyman here, and I've been waiting a couple weeks for these to arrive at my doorstep. My buddy Tom over at Bull Airs has sent me his new custom shoes. We're gonna open it up and check them out.
You win!
Nice. Got the Nintendo right there. That looks sweet. Alright, obviously these are Nintendo themed. He's got the full Nintendo right here. Bull Airs Entertainment shoe system. Bull Airs logo right there. And then on the side right there, we got an NES controller again with his logo. And nothing on the back or the other side. But the main thing is, what do the shoes look like? Let's check them out. Nice. Look at that inside of the box right there. You got all the NES games right here. All the classic games. So that looks sweet. We got a little wrap here. Let's take it out. Nice. Wow. Look at that. Oh, and a nice shoe bag. Clear shoe bag, so this way no dust get in there at all. Look at those. We got a sticker in here. Toad Town mushrooms right there. So the pattern just continues on through here. Oh, we do get another bonus sticker with Baby Mario and a Yoshi as well. Unzip them. Get that new shoe smell. Yeah, smells good. We got the tongues right there. So many awesome details on this shoe for sure. So we got on the backs right there, it does say game over. Then of course on the tongue right there you got Mario throwing the fireball, and it does have the Bull Airs logo. But on the inside of the shoe it has the Contra code printed right there with up, up, down, down, left, right, BA start. And I believe it has custom insoles as well. Let's get the paper out. Alright, we'll pop them out, see if they're different. So there we go. It's the same image there. It looks like Castlevania is on the CRT TV and someone's playing the NES right there. So they got the controller. Looks like Zelda 2 is up there as well, and a couple more hidden gems in the background right there. So cool. And not a lot of people ever see, you know, the soles of the shoes.
I have come for your soul.
Because obviously your feet are always in it, or even if they're on display, you're not showing the inside of the shoe, so it's that extra detail. This looks like on the toes of the shoes right there, it says select. So you got your select button. The swoosh does have the D-pad on it right there on both sides, and this one does have the A and B buttons hanging off right there, and Nintendo right on the side profile, so when you're walking everyone sees you got the Nintendo Bull Airs.
Now you're playing with power.
Got the light gray to match the box as well, that two-tone light gray essentially, you know, matching the box that came in the NES system itself as well. Actually used to have one of my cars painted exactly to match the NES system. I had some chalkboard paint made up and it looked pretty dope. Nice. Alright, hey, that's enough looking at them. Let's pop these on my feet. We're gonna walk around. That's right, I'm gonna be wearing these. I'm not gonna just put them in a shelf to look at them. These are some awesome shoes that'll be worn at conventions and everything, but we'll get some awesome B-roll walking around in these NES Bull Airs. Okay, so that was a quick overview of the Bull Air Nintendo shoes. These awesome exclusive shoes are so cool. What more can I say about them? Now, I did walk around on the boardwalk for about an hour getting some of the B-roll footage, and it was certainly comfortable. I could definitely see myself wearing these to a game convention, and of course people are going to stop and be like, where did you get those shoes? Those are awesome. Because yes, there are other Nintendo collaborated shoes out there, but nothing quite like the Bull Airs, that's for sure. Just enjoying all the little Easter egg details hidden within the shoe. Did you know that the tongue of the shoe is mimicking a full NES cart? That's why the art is slightly shifted to the side, because it leaves room for the ridging that would be on an NES cartridge. Those awesome little details, so great. Now if you do enjoy video game merchandise, bullairs.com has a whole bunch of awesome stuff to check out. He even has this very cool Nintendo jacket that goes great with these shoes here. My buddy Tom has been a long friend of mine and puts out awesome stuff, so be sure to check out bullairs.com or follow him on the social medias. Of course, links in the description down below. Maybe you could snag yourself something awesome. That's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the Nintendo Bull Airs quick review, and maybe snag yourself a pair of these awesome retro nostalgia kicks. And as always, guys, I'm Russ Lyman, and keep your world fun bit by bit. I'll see you next video.